Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I just wanted to give you an update on where I'm at with one of my coloring pages for the August treasure hunt that Life with Patty is hosting, as well as a tool that I'm using to pick out colors for my pages. So I am coloring in this coloring book, Fairy Tales by Emily Liedhall Oberg. And the page is the Mermaid. And I showed in another video how I was doing the hair and that I was thinking of doing the skin tone in blue. So I haven't blended it in yet, but I just wanted to show you. Let me see if I can show you a little bit further up close. Let's see. So the color that I'm using, or that I use for the skin tone, is the Shuttle Art, and it's sky blue, number 020 or 20. And the way that I picked the color is I saw in another video, I guess it was an old video, I'm not sure, I can't remember her name, but she was using, and it was from Dritz. I couldn't find the Dritz anymore. I think they have it maybe from what I saw online at Joann's, but Joann's is about a half hour, if not more, from where I live. So I did a search on Amazon and I found this. It's from So Easy. And this one actually comes with a tonal estimator, this little red piece of, I don't know if it's plexiglass, but I'm kind of glad that it did, because in reading through or maybe watching some videos on drawing and colored pencils, etc., and just art, to get the different values, someone had recommended looking through a red, like a red film. So I was actually excited that this was here in this packet, because you can see the tonal values, and they call it here a tonal estimator. And it's a color and tone guide from, again, So Easy. So it came in here like this. And I guess what they mostly use this for is for quilting, to pick your fabrics that might go well. It's the same thing as another color wheel, but the way, when I watched the video of the person that was using the Dritz one, is she was using it for her coloring books, where she would put, for example, I was using it here. I had already chosen this reddish orangey color, and then you would match, let's say, for example, here, this F and C under here would go well, and you just move your, what colors you're looking to get. And I know I had wanted to choose a blue. So, and here's this A also that sort of matches. So I think what I had done is I had pointed, like, I know I had wanted one of these blue sections here. So with this arrow pointing here, I can get to this blue. And so I might use this purple also in here as far as for complementary color, just to make it stand out. So I think this F and C also are colors that are in here. So I made a list of, where each, I think I was using this longer rectangle to get to other colors. And so I came up with a light aqua green, a slate gray, the sky blue, dark purple, brick red, and orange as other colors that I can use in here. So for example, when I wanted to get something close to this blue, I have my swatches here. I showed again in another video that I had swatched out all my Shuttle Art colors. And so what I did is, for example, I would just then start putting my swatches until I found, a color that came close up to that. And so I think for this one, it was the sky blue, which is this one here. Actually, I'm sorry, it was this A here that I was looking for. And as you can see here, it comes really close to it. So that's what I used for the skin. And so I knew in some areas I wanted to go darker, so I just kept on going over it. I left some highlights, And I may go eventually in darker with maybe a different color, but for now, I only use this one pencil. Again, went darker, or I should say that I kept going over the certain areas to make it darker. And what I really like about this is that when you place this on here, you can actually see the different tonal, the different tonal values. So you can see where the shadows are. So I kind of like that. I don't notice it as much as on the hair, so maybe I might go in with a darker color just to get some darker areas in there, but I'm really liking this. So again, if that's something that you're interested in, it's called the Tonal Estimator from So Easy. I did get it off of Amazon. I want to say maybe it was anywhere between $10 to $11, $10 to maybe $12, not sure. But it gives you the instructions here. And I do like that this is very helpful. Besides just a color wheel, which I do have, for example, this one, pocket color wheel that I bought at Hobby Lobby, but I like this one best for choosing my colors because it gives the ranges, and then I can just use my swatches to get something close. So I'm really liking how this is turning out. I do have to blend it in, so I'm still working on this, and hopefully today's the 20th of August. Hopefully I can still finish it by the end of the month. I was out of town for about a week or so, so I just haven't had the chance to do anything, but I am back into trying to finish up this page, at least for the end of August. So if you have any questions, just go ahead and let me know. And again, I really like the way it's turning out. I think I may use the oranges to do her eyebrows. Not sure. Maybe the lighter blues for the cheeks and the lips. And I still have to complete here her scales and naturally everything else. I may use some purples, again, because it'll go with the colors here. I may use maybe some other analogous scheme, to complete, but this is a separate page, so it doesn't continue on with this one, even though it is a ocean theme. So this is the page that I am completing for August. All right. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and we will see you soon. Bye.